What's the next big thing in AI for business? So last night I was out with a group of fellow entrepreneurs and one of them asked me, okay, I run a business, what's the next big exciting thing that I should be looking at and what's going to really change how people do business on a day-to-day basis? Now, I was tempted to jump in and start talking about GPT-5 or some of the exciting new models that we're seeing coming out each and every week, but that kind of stuff is not that important in the day-to-day business and running and growing a business. Instead, I think the most exciting thing happening in AI right now is actually what Microsoft are doing. Now, this sounds surprising, but what they are doing is they are putting AI directly into applications that people already use. So for things like ChatGPT, it's fantastic if you don't mind going to a separate ChatGPT website or connecting to the API and working with them that way. What is going to really change how the public and workers and employees deal with AI is when we start to put AI directly into the tools that people are already using. And that is Microsoft's advantage. That's what they're doing right now. So they have something called Copilot, which is built on top of ChatGPT, and Copilot is now accessible inside Word, inside Excel, inside PowerPoint, inside Outlook, so you can use it for your emails. All of these different things are now becoming AI enabled. I think this is the most exciting application of AI because it's going to mean that the general public, not the people who are excited in AI, but the general public are going to start to use these tools. And that's where we're going to see real advances, real functionality being deployed in the field with people who are actually using them day to day. So you might be thinking, well, I don't actually use Microsoft products. I don't use Word. I use Google Docs instead. I'm the same. I use Google. I do not use Microsoft. However, I think Google are currently playing catch up. They are behind Microsoft. And the reason for this is Microsoft invested in OpenAI, the company that owns ChatGPT. Microsoft actually own 49% of OpenAI. And what you have is OpenAI is sitting here, and then that is built on Microsoft's supercomputers and their servers, Azure. And then on top of OpenAI, you actually have Microsoft Copilot. So you have this Microsoft and OpenAI sandwich. They're really intertwined, whereas Google have their own AI and they have their own softwares like Google Docs, Google Sheets, Gmail, obviously. But because they're playing catch up with the AI side of thing and their AI models are not as good as ChatGPT yet, that means that their AI is not being implemented into the Google Workspace apps as of yet. I assume they will be doing so, but again, they're playing catch up, and right now Microsoft is leading the pack.